everybody, it's me, Madison. So I am back after my little break. So today I'm going to be reviewing a waxing kit because see, I shave most of the time, but my mom has very hairy arms, so I'm going to be waxing today. But this is the kit. It's off of Amazon. It's the TRESS Wellness Complete Waxing Kit. It's purple. And I've been wanting one of these hard wax kits forever because I have like the regular like wax, like actual wax where you use the strip and all that. And that stuff is so sticky and it's a pain and a donk to use because it gets everywhere, and if you get it on your table it will not come up. Anyways, so I've been wanting these because like if you have TikTok, you know those videos where like the wax TikTok where they literally have it in like containers and they like scoop it out and all that. So I've been really wanting one. And it's funny, I asked my mom for one and I got this. So let me show you what comes in the box. So first, of course, is the actual wax pot itself. And then you get 2 sizes of like sticks. So like this is like for like your legs and arms and stuff, and this is for like your face, mustache, and eyebrows. Okay, this stuff, they have like an after spray and pre-wax spray, so I guess the pre-wax one like cleans the area, and I guess this is like a toner, like after wax. Anyways, and then you get some waxing things, beans. You get eucalyptus, you get tea tree, lavender, peppermint, and lemon. So, and then you get the 2 nozzles for your after spray and pre-waxing, and then you get these which go around there so it's no mess, and then you get 3 cards. So they wrote me a little note saying if I could leave them a review on Amazon. Y'all can't see it. Yeah. They want me to leave them a little review, so I will do that. They're having an iPad giveaway. And then this is a beginner guide. I thought that was funny. I was reading this earlier. Instead of pop quiz, it says poop quiz. And I'm guessing that's a typo because I don't understand what waxing has to do with poop. But like, yeah. So they're just telling you what to do. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put one of the guards around the waxing pot. This is supposed to be painless, which I'm not so sure. So we got our collar on and it's plugged in. So first we're going to pick our beads, and I want to mix them and make a cool color. So I'm going to be using eucalyptus and lemon. I don't know if the scents will go together, but the colors will be pretty. It's not going on me, so. But yeah, on all of them it really says to do a patch test. So if I were you, I would do a patch test. They all smell the same. So now you turn it up all the way. So that's 257, and I would show you inside. Yeah, you can see it. So now we wait, and I really can't wait to do this. So we're gonna wait for that to melt and we'll be right back. So it's heated up and it really was pretty fast. Here's what it looks like. It's like this teal color because I added more blue later on. So I turned it up all the way to let it heat up, and now you turn it back down halfway so it's not scalding your skin. So now my mom's gonna come over here so we can get started. So first you're going to get the pre-spray, and it's clean and moisturized. So that's her arm, really hairy. Ooh, you can see all the hairs. So I'm gonna let, it sounds like coconut. So I'm gonna let that dry. We're going to work in small sections. Something just fell. Which way?
My hair goes that way.
So
start at the top and go down.
This is backwards. You're such a baby. So that's the little section. We're gonna work our way up. I'll do a bigger section later. So then now you're gonna let it dry.
No, it's not.
Stop! It's my video.
My arm! She's spitting all over me. It's not dry. Stop.
So you gotta wait till it's dry.
It's not dry.
Here, you can hold my hand when I do it.
You're supposed to hold it taut.
Okay. Taut. So now we're gonna rip it. Ah! Nothing came off. Seriously, like 2 things came off. Hold on, we need to try this again. I'm gonna do it up there where it's longer. Why can't I just go down?
You're not putting pressure down when you put the wax on. I have to wash my arm with all the spit. You, ow!
Ooh, that worked. Oh. It don't hurt. Just stop. Ow, God!
Ow! Guys, you suck at this!
Stop spitting on me. God!
You're horrible at waxing!
So, this was the video. So overall, would I get this kit again? Yes. It's like, it does what it needs to. It's kind of painless. I mean, it's not hurting as bad as like other waxes. You know what I mean? But yeah, so would I get this again? Yes. I'll leave the links down below if you want to purchase it on Amazon or their website. If you purchase it from Amazon, you can get a discount code. And yeah. So, thank you so much, TRESS Wellness. I really liked it. Here's the color. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Miss Clipper 12. Bye!